Hey, what is going on, everybody? Fortnite just got banned on the iOS Apple Store, guys, but in this video I'm going to show you all how you can still install it on your iOS devices, iPhone, iPad, iPod, whatever you play it on, and you're still going to be able to download it, guys, but not from the App Store. We have a workaround. We have a solution to actually still be able to download it even if it's been banned on the App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to still install Fortnite. As you can see, I never installed it from the App Store, but we have the modded version. So basically, some brilliant developers basically have the old files of Fortnite, and what they did is mod it a little bit so it still works and it still connects to the same exact servers. So as you can see, I'm online right now, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to still get Fortnite mobile on your iOS devices or Android as well, but it didn't get banned on Android, so I guess there's no Android viewers for this video. You're pretty much all iOS viewers. But as you guys can see, I have Fortnite installed here. But if I go into the Apple Store right now and I type in Fortnite, you're going to see that it's not available in the App Store anymore, guys, and I never had it installed from the App Store. So that's how I'm going to show you all exactly how to get it. As you can see, Fortnite is no longer in the App Store, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to install it even though it's been banned. So first things first, what we're going to want to do is first open up these settings on our iOS device that we're on. And you're going to want to look for the option that says General. Alright, so once you guys are in General, now you're going to want to look for the option that says Background App Refresh. And you're going to want to make sure that you have this option turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data, just like that. So as you can see, we have it on. Once we've done that, what we're going to want to do now is open up a browser on our phone or iOS device that we're on. And you're going to want to type this website into the search bar, guys. Go ahead and type. So basically, this is a tweaked app store that is fully web-based, and we're going to be able to use this website to go ahead and download Fortnite Mobile, even though it's been banned on the App Store. And you'll still be able to continue playing it, and it will be like the live version of it too, like with multiplayer included and all live updates supported for it as well. So what we're going to want to do once we're on the website is use the search bar here at the top just to go ahead and type in Fortnite. Just go ahead and type in Fortnite. And you should see Fortnite Mobile, guys, free download. So there's a bunch of other Fortnite options, but you want to choose the one that says Fortnite Mobile, free download. So what you got to do now is tap on that. And you'll see a button that says Start Injection, guys. Go ahead and tap on that button. And now all we got to do is just wait for this to load. Give it about 10 to 20 seconds and it will fully load up. But make sure you guys keep on watching until the end of the video. That way you'll see exactly how to wrap things up and get the full Fortnite mobile app downloaded on your iOS device, guys. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe with all notifications on. But yeah, guys, it's a shame that it got banned. Hopefully it will be coming back, though. I think Epic Games and Apple are definitely gonna try to work things out here, because Fortnite is making the Apple Store a ton of money, and also it's making, for them, losing it from the App Store is definitely taking a loss for Epic Games, because that's one of their huge fan bases, is obviously on mobile. So what we're going to want to do now to get Fortnite Mobile is the last step, guys. It's going to go ahead and say, please follow and complete the instructions of 2 free offers below to finish the injection process. Now, I know it says 2 offers, but what I recommend you guys watching to go ahead and do is to, instead of doing 2, just do all the amount of apps on this list. So if you have 1 app, just do that 1 app. If you have 4 apps or 5 like me, go ahead and do them all, and after that, Fortnite Mobile will successfully install. So the way we get started is pretty simple. All you're going to want to do is choose one of these apps to get started and read the instructions of it, then type get started. And it is very important, guys, when you select an app, you read the instructions of it carefully and fully understand what you have to do for that app, guys, because if you don't do this step correctly, then it will not work. So make sure you're doing it all correctly. And after you complete 1 app, guys, we're going to want to head back and do the rest of them. And after that, we will have Fortnite Mobile successfully installed on our device, and we'll be able to start playing it. Now, I just did 1 app. Now I'm going to head back here and do another one. So simply tap on another one. Coin Master, we're going to go ahead and tap on it. And here we are, guys. We're running another app. And after you completed them all, you're pretty much done, and you will have the Fortnite Mobile app installed once again on your device, and now you can start playing. So yeah, guys, it's that easy. I just can't stress this enough. Make sure you do all the apps on the list correctly for this to work, guys. But as you can see, I'm back on. If any of you guys want to play with me, drop your Epic ID down below, and I'm down to play. But yeah, guys, if you need help downloading Fortnite Mobile, leave a like on the video, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll help you guys out, and peace out.